If you would like to seamlessly customize the sound of your hearing aids, there's an assistant you can rely on. Tapping the question mark in the top right corner of the screen will open Rexton Assist. Rexton Assist is an intelligent system that can help you get the most out of your hearing aids effortlessly. Tap Handling of my hearing aids to find support on maintenance, usage, and troubleshooting, including how-to videos. But if you need reliable sound adjustments, select the category that should be improved, then select the option that best matches your need. Rexton Assist will use your answers to make a sound adjustment. You can listen to the suggested change and either accept it, revert back to your previous sound, or ask for further improvements. Rexton Assist provides seamless 24/7 support.